everyone. Welcome to Brilliant Farm. We are with the upcoming egg layers, a mixture of Asa Browns and broilers. And I can still tell you, they are not yet egg layers. We are monitoring them day in, day out to see if they will start laying. But they've not. So, as it stands now, they remain potential egg layers. They are not egg layers. So, patience goes on. We have to be patient with them until they start laying. That's all I can say. So, on that note, I will say happy farming. This is Brilliant Farm, and I'm still your host, George, saying thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow for more updates. Bye for now.